Hello, I'm Havard from the Hortus team at Species 360, and in this short clip I'm going to show you how you can map plants and draw bed locations. To map plants from a new accession, please watch our Getting Started video where you can have a look at that. So in this particular clip we're going to focus first of all on how you map your or draw your garden beds. So you start by navigating to the map here on the menu. Obviously you can do this on a smartphone or a tablet as well. And you will see here then that you get all your plants listed. We're working on a small data set here. And then on top, if you want to work on the beds or locations, you click the location. And then you get all your locations listed. Here you can also add new locations and change them. So we're just going to start with this particular bed called the Climate House, bed 1. So when I click on that, you will see then that you get all your plants in this bed listed. And you can also see here that one is mapped, which is this agave, and these two others are not mapped. But what we're going to do now is to draw the bed, and you do that by clicking the Add Polygon symbol over here. And then you basically start by clicking with your mouse, outlining the edge of the bed. So you can see now I'm just drawing the bed here. And then you're basically building a nice little polygon here. And when you're done, you just double click and then you're finished. You can extend this now and tweak it by dragging those white markers. I can zoom in a bit here, so you can just change it. You can also extend it by clicking those middle points if you want to make a more refined outline. So opportunities are endless here. And then when you're finished, you just click confirm. And then the bed is now drawn onto your map. I can see a small mistake here, so I can then click on the bed again, and then I can click update, and then I can double click on it and then change it slightly here so it's more aligned with this other one, for example. So I'm just going to confirm that. When you update the polygons, you can also add more polygons for each bed, so in case you have a path leading through. So there are lots of things to play with here, and if you make a mistake you just do cancel on the edit. There you go. The last thing you can say about the beds here is that when you change between the different layers, you can see that the beds are still listed here, and you can switch them on and off like this, so you can then have them on the different base maps, which is really nice. Now, one of the benefits of having these beds mapped is that when you get all your beds mapped, all your plants are intrinsically mapped as well. Because when I click on the bed itself, you get the list of all the plants in that bed. That leads us on to the next little thing we're going to show you. How do I map unmapped plants? So let's say this Parodia here, we want to map that. We know where it is. So I'm just going to click on it. And then you just say add position. And then you just drag the marker to where the location of the plant. So in this case, I'm going to zoom in here and put it here. And then you click confirm. So that's very simple. And equally simple is if you have existing plants and you want to move them, you just click on them and you click reposition, and you can drag them around where you want. So that's it. Mapping is very easy, and please enjoy it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.